Hey everyone, last time I showed you how brutal SAM.gov really is. One search, 47,000 results, no scoring, no idea where to even start, and nobody warning you about the traps hiding along the way. Today, let me show you what actually changes the moment you bring Sambid into the picture. Not just the results, but exactly how it gets those results. 5 things change. 5 things every contractor will agree with. Watch. 1. Today, big contractors keep a 20-person team just to monitor SAM.gov manually. Picture it like a security desk that has to watch 1,500 new doors opening every single day. 1 person per shift, scrolling, refreshing, reading titles, trying not to blink at the wrong moment. That's a full-time payroll expense before a single proposal is even written. With Sambid, that entire desk becomes 1 or 2 people, because discovery runs fully automated every single day. Here's the difference underneath. Instead of a human opening each door and checking what's behind it, our system reads every posting the moment SAM.gov publishes it, checks it against your profile automatically, and only hands you the ones that actually match. Nobody has to watch the door anymore. The software already looked. 2. Today, 150 solicitations hit you daily, and 90% are irrelevant. Think of it like getting 150 pieces of mail every morning, and only 15 of them are actually addressed to you. The rest are just noise you still have to open to check. With Sambid, you only see matched, scored, ranked opportunities. The noise is gone. Here's how that's different mechanically. Instead of dumping every posting into one big list and making you filter it yourself, Sambid scores each one against your NAICS codes, your certifications, and your business size before it ever reaches your screen. So if you're a small IT firm, you're not wading through construction and janitorial postings to find the 2 IT contracts. You can just see the 2, already sorted, already ranked by how good a fit they are. 3. Today, a human proposal writer costs $50,000 per proposal. That's like paying for a full custom-built house every time you want to bid on one contract. And if you lose, that house is gone. No refund. With Sambid, the AI drafts it in under 3 minutes. Here's the real difference. A human writer starts from a blank page and has to read the RFP, research your company, and write from scratch. That's why it takes weeks and costs thousands. The AI already has your company profile and your past performance on file. So when it reads a new RFP, it's not starting blank. It's matching what you've already told it about your business against what this specific contract is asking for, and producing a full structured draft in minutes. 4. Today, missed deadlines, wrong NAICS codes, lost bids. Imagine setting one alarm clock for a flight that leaves at 6 a.m., and that one alarm fails to go off, so you miss the flight entirely. No second chance. That's what a single missed government deadline feels like. 1 point of failure, total loss. With Sambid, alerts at 7 days, 24 hours, and 1 hour. You never miss a deadline again. Here's why that actually works. Instead of 1 alarm, it's 3 alarms on 2 different channels, email and push notification, spaced out so you get an early planning warning, a final review warning, and a last chance warning. You'd have to ignore all 3 on purpose to actually miss it. 5. Today, a bid decision takes 3 days plus consultant fees. Think of it like needing 3 days and an outside expert just to decide whether to buy a lottery ticket, when you could just look at the odds printed right on it. With Sambid, a go-no-go answer in 30 seconds. Here's the mechanical difference. A consultant reads the opportunity manually and compares it to what they remember about your business and the market, from memory, which takes days. Sambid's AI reads the opportunity and instantly cross-references it against your actual company profile and real historical award data for that agency at machine speed. So the same comparison that took a person 3 days of reading and thinking happens in the time it takes the page to load. 20 people become 2. $50,000 becomes 3 minutes. 3 days becomes 30 seconds. That's the change. Now let me show you how, not just what changes, but the actual mechanics behind every single one of these 17 fixes.